Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we unlock the keys to mastering your money and building a future that works for you. Today, we're diving into something that impacts nearly every financial move you make, a topic that's critical for your financial freedom: how to build and maintain a high credit score. Did you know that nearly 30% of Americans have a credit score below 601? That means almost 1 in 3 people are facing higher interest rates and fewer opportunities because of poor credit. Let's make sure you're not one of them. Building and maintaining a high credit score isn't a one-time task. It's a lifelong journey. But don't worry, we've got you covered with practical tips, proven strategies, and the insider knowledge that'll set you up for success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your score to the next level, today's tips will work for you. First things first, why does your credit score even matter? It's your financial reputation. Think of it like your report card, but instead of grades, you're graded on how responsibly you manage debt. A high credit score means better loan terms, lower interest rates, and easier approvals. Basically, it's the golden ticket to getting the best deals. But here's the kicker. A high credit score is built over time. There's no shortcut. So, what's the secret sauce? Let's break it down. 1. Pay your bills on time. Every time. It's simple but powerful. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, and even one late payment can knock your score down by 100 points or more. One missed payment could cost you a low-interest car loan or mortgage rate down the line. So make it a habit. Set up auto pay or reminders. No excuses. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the second largest factor, accounting for 30% of your score. The general rule is to use less than 30% of your available credit, meaning if your credit limit is $10,000, aim to use no more than $3,000 at a time. Not only does this show you can manage credit responsibly, but it also helps keep your score from sinking. 3. Diversify your credit mix. This is where it gets interesting. Credit bureaus like to see that you can handle different types of credit. Whether it's credit cards, car loans, student loans, or even a mortgage, having a mix of credit types can improve your score. But remember, only take on new credit when it makes sense. It's about quality, not quantity. 4. Don't open too many new accounts. While it's tempting to grab the best deals, opening too many credit accounts in a short period can hurt your score. Each hard inquiry can ding your score a few points, and multiple inquiries within a short time can signal risk to lenders. Pace yourself and be strategic when adding new credit. 5. Keep your oldest accounts open. Credit history length is another important factor. Make sure you're not closing old accounts. The longer your credit history, the better. If you've had a credit card for years, leave it open, even if you don't use it much. It'll show lenders that you've been managing credit responsibly for the long haul. Now let's talk real-world application. Take Ava, for example. Ava started off with a credit score of 620, just below average. She committed to paying off her credit card balances each month, kept her utilization under 20%, and made sure to avoid unnecessary credit inquiries. Within a year, her score jumped to 740, opening up doors to lower interest rates on a new car and a mortgage. So how do we maintain that high score? It's not a one-time thing. It's about keeping consistent habits, staying organized, and always being mindful of your financial moves. The good news is, even if your score drops, there's always room to recover. Keep a long-term mindset and watch your financial opportunities multiply. I want to hear from you. What's the biggest roadblock you faced when trying to build your credit score? Drop a comment below and let's talk about how we can overcome it together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next big breakthrough. We've got a lot more in store for you on your financial journey. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you're ready to take your credit score and your entire financial game to the next level, check out the video on screen now. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.